let's start with the U. I have no problems with the straight line, but once I start to get to this curve, your dashes are going to be a lot smaller. So start from the other side and work to connect to the middle of your U. And that's good enough. That you can read that. That's good. So now I start with the top of my U, I follow my pen, and I connect to the top of that curve like this. And then I'm gonna come down here and I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker by filling in the areas where I see the color of the t-shirt coming through. Remember, you have to keep stretching it so that you can really fill in the holes of the shirt. See how that's thicker? Good job! Here I turned the T into a long cross since we're honoring someone's life and he was Christian. I want to respect him, and I made that into a cross. So this took a little minute to fill in my letters, and I made the edges a little bit cleaner so that when we wear our shirt, we're really proud and our message pops.